Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Fightly token. Now the Fightly token has a ticker symbol SFT, is on the Solana blockchain, and it was just announced that this token is getting a very big central exchange listing starting tomorrow, October 2nd, on a very big central exchange, and we're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us. So check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So you can find this token on SolScan. If you're looking for the chart, price, all that type of stuff, you can also find it on Bird Eye, Dex Tools, Dex Screener. It says 342 holders so far, 9 decimal places on this token, and a current supply of 1 billion tokens. So ticker symbol SFT, name of the token is Fightly. Now, it was just announced on Twitter here. It says, Fightly Official, a multiplayer battle royale game on the Solana blockchain, will be listed tomorrow, October 2nd, 8 a.m. UTC time, on a very big central exchange called Mexc Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section and search SFT, the ticker symbol for this token, and then simply just buy the token. Now, going on today, October 1st, a day prior to the listing, there is a Kickstarter event going on Mexc Global where you could vote with MX tokens and potentially win airdrops, and there is a reward pool available of 50,000 USDT. So make sure you check that out on Mexc Global today, October 1st. Now, Fightly is an action-packed multiplayer online battle royale game built on the Solana blockchain. Real-time multiplayer battles bring a high level of excitement and engagement. Players can compete against opponents from around the world in fast-paced matches. This ensures each game is dynamic and unpredictable, keeping players alert and providing intense gaming experiences. With real-time battles, players can test their skills against a variety of opponents, making victories even more satisfying. Fightly's large map environment offers a vast world to explore, with diverse landscapes, resources, and hidden treasures. This expansive setting enhances the sense of adventure and discovery. Providing strategic gameplay opportunities, players can use the terrain and resources to outmaneuver opponents. The dynamic map ensures no two matches are the same, keeping gameplay fresh and exciting. The integration of NFTs and token rewards in Fightly adds value and investment to the gaming experience. Players can earn unique and valuable NFTs for achievements and winning matches, incentivizing success and mastery. Additionally, players can earn Fightly tokens for participating in battles and contributing to the game's ecosystem, providing tangible rewards. This fosters a sense of progression and accomplishment, creating opportunities for players to maximize their gaming experience through trading, staking, and participating in the game's economy. The real-time multiplayer battles feature of Fightly brings an unparalleled level of excitement and engagement to players, allowing them to compete against opponents from across the globe in thrilling, fast-paced encounters. This ensures that every match is dynamic and unpredictable, keeping players on their toes and providing endless opportunities for intense gaming experiences. With real-time battles, players can test their skills against a diverse range of opponents, making each victory all the more satisfying. Now, the large map environment on Fightly offers players a vast and immersive world to explore, filled with diverse landscapes, resources, and hidden treasures. This expansive setting not only enhances the sense of adventure and discovery, but also provides endless opportunities for strategic gameplay. Players can leverage the environment to their advantage, utilizing terrain features and resources to outmaneuver and outwit their opponents. Additionally, the dynamic nature of the map ensures that no two matches are ever the same, keeping gameplay fresh and exciting with each playthrough. Now, the integration of NFTs and token rewards in Fightly adds a layer of value and investment to the gaming experience. By earning unique and valuable NFTs as rewards for achievements and winning matches, players are incentivized to strive for success and mastery in the game. Likewise, the ability to earn Fightly tokens for participating in battles and contributing to the game's ecosystem provides players with tangible rewards for their time and effort. This not only fosters a sense of progression and accomplishment, but also creates opportunities for players to monetize their gaming experience through trading, staking, and participating in the game's economy. Now, there's NFT rewards, real-time multiplayer battles, large map environment, token rewards, customization options, leaderboards and tournaments, social features, their own NFT marketplace, staking, and cross-platform compatibility. Now, you can learn all about that and more on their white paper, fightly-game.gitbook.io. They also have a token burning mechanism, utilities, roadmap. So 8% of the tokens, the Solana tokens, there's a total supply, like I mentioned earlier, 1 billion Fightly tokens on the Sol blockchain. 8% goes to the advisory allocation. 10% goes to team allocation. 7% goes to reward allocation. And it looks like they did have a pre-sale prior to this. So maybe that's where those holders got the token from already. And yeah, some tokens will be burned. There's a burning mechanism. And, the rest is going to go to liquidity pools, decentralized exchanges, centralized exchanges, etc. So go check this token out. Let me know in the comments down there. What do you guys think about this project? Do you think this is a good investment or what? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes down there in the description box, especially that Mexc global one where this token will be listed. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.